Clearing blocked energy and balancing your energy field are essential practices to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Well, when energy flows freely through your body, you align yourself with positivity and vibrancy. In this video, we'll look into practical methods to restore balance and remove any negative or stagnant energy that may be holding you back from living your fullest, healthiest life. Blocked energy is the buildup of negative emotions, stress, and past experiences that restrict the natural flow of energy in our bodies. These blockages can manifest physically, mentally, and emotionally, leading to imbalances in our health and happiness. Identifying these blocks is the first step in the healing process. A common sign of blocked energy is feeling stuck in certain areas of your life, whether it's in relationships, career, or personal growth. Physical symptoms such as tension, headaches, fatigue, or even chronic pain can also be signals that energy is not flowing properly. These imbalances often arise from unresolved emotions or unhealed wounds. In some cases, negative thought patterns or stressors can further exacerbate the situation, making it harder for you to experience joy and peace. Understanding how energy blockages manifest is the first step toward healing. Recognizing where you feel tension or discomfort in your body can give you a clear indicator of where energy is trapped. Sometimes simply acknowledging these areas can begin to shift the energy. Techniques like deep breathing or visualization can also help release these blockages, allowing your energy to flow more freely. Taking time each day to tune into your body, paying attention to areas of tension, discomfort, or pain can be life-changing. By practicing mindfulness, you begin to notice the subtle signs of energy imbalance, giving you the awareness needed to initiate healing and restore your sense of balance. Several practices can help you clear blocked energy and restore balance in your life. Meditation is one of the most effective methods as it allows you to quiet the mind and focus on the present moment. During meditation, you can direct your attention to specific areas of your body or energy field that feel out of alignment and work on releasing tension. Guided meditations focused on energy healing are a great way to target specific blockages. Breathing exercises, such as deep belly breathing, are another powerful tool for clearing energy. Okay? Breathing deeply and slowly helps calm the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting the flow of energy throughout the body. This simple technique can be done at any time during the day, especially when you feel overwhelmed or stressed. Using crystals is another popular method for clearing blocked energy. Certain crystals, such as amethyst, selenite, and clear quartz, are known for their ability to absorb negative energy and promote healing. Placing these crystals near you or on specific energy centers, such as your chakras, can help restore balance and clear stagnant energy. Visualization is also a potent technique for clearing energy blockages. Imagine a bright light, like a golden or white light, surrounding your body and penetrating areas where you feel stuck. As you visualize this healing light, see it dissolve any negative energy, allowing your body and mind to feel light, balanced, and restored. Once you've cleared blocked energy, the next step is to focus on balancing your energy field. Our energy field, or aura, is the electromagnetic field that surrounds our body and reflects our inner state of being. When our energy is balanced, we feel confident, at peace, and able to manifest our desires with ease. One of the key practices for balancing your energy is grounding. Grounding connects you to the Earth's energy, helping you stay centered and present. You can ground yourself by standing or sitting with your feet flat on the floor, imagining roots growing from your feet into the earth. This practice helps you release any excess energy and allows you to feel more stable and connected. Chakra balancing is another important aspect of maintaining a healthy energy field. Each of the 7 main chakras in your body corresponds to specific aspects of your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. When these chakras are open and balanced, you feel aligned with your true self. Regular practices like yoga, meditation, and breathing exercises can help you balance and activate each chakra. Energy healing modalities such as Reiki or acupuncture can also be used to balance your energy field. These practices work by channeling universal life force energy into the body, clearing blockages, and restoring harmony. Finding a practitioner or learning these techniques yourself can be incredibly beneficial for long-term energy balance and well-being. Self-care practices are also essential for maintaining energy balance. Taking time to nurture your body, mind, and spirit through activities such as walking in nature, practicing gratitude, or engaging in creative hobbies can help you stay connected to your inner source of vitality. After clearing blocked energy and balancing your energy field, it's important to incorporate habits that help you maintain this state of equilibrium. Regular meditation, grounding exercises, and energy practices should become part of your routine. These activities support your well-being and create a solid foundation for growth and healing. Another important practice for maintaining balance is setting healthy boundaries. Protecting your energy from negative influences, whether from people or situations, is crucial for staying centered. This involves being mindful of your environment and learning to say no when something doesn't serve your highest good. Self-awareness plays a critical role in maintaining energy balance. By regularly checking in with yourself, both physically and emotionally, you can identify when your energy may be out of alignment. Trusting your intuition and acting on your inner guidance will help you stay on track and keep your energy flowing smoothly. Living in alignment with your true self is another key component of maintaining balance. When you're in tune with your values, passions, and desires, your energy naturally flows with ease. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment will help you sustain a harmonious energy field over time. Once you've cleared blocked energy and restored balance to your energy field, the next step is to cultivate a continuous flow of positive energy. This ongoing practice is crucial for maintaining health, happiness, and success in your life. Positive energy is not just about clearing negativity, it's about consciously choosing to bring in high-frequency vibrations that uplift and empower you. One way to cultivate positive energy is through the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that shifts your focus from what is lacking in your life to what is abundant. Regularly taking time to acknowledge and appreciate the blessings around you, big or small, can raise your vibration and attract more of the same positive energy. You can keep a gratitude journal where you write down things you're thankful for each day. This simple act has a profound impact on your overall energy. Another powerful method is visualization. While clearing blockages and balancing energy is essential, actively visualizing the life you want to create can accelerate your manifestation process. Picture yourself living your desired reality, whether it's achieving personal goals, finding peace, or attracting abundance. The more vividly and frequently you visualize your dreams, the stronger your energy field becomes as it aligns with your desired outcomes. Also, engage in activities that lift your spirit and connect you to joy. This could be spending time in nature, practicing a hobby, dancing, singing, or surrounding yourself with people who support and uplift you. These actions naturally raise your energetic frequency and keep your energy flow positive and abundant. When you prioritize positivity in your daily life, you not only improve your energy, but also attract more positivity from the universe. Keep in mind that cultivating positive energy is a lifelong practice. It requires consistency, mindfulness, and self-compassion. When negative thoughts or energy arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return to a space of positive intention. This process keeps your energy clear, balanced, and constantly flowing in alignment with your highest self. Clearing blocked energy and balancing your energy field are powerful tools for personal growth, healing, and success. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you empower yourself to live with greater clarity, purpose, and vitality. Take the time to listen to your body, clear any negative energy, and focus on restoring balance within yourself. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on personal growth and energy healing. Your journey toward optimal well-being starts with these simple but life-changing practices. Thank you for watching, and take care of your energy.